Go. Okay, say hi.
Hi.
Come on out here.
Okay. Let us say hi.
No, bring your tricycle.
Okay. I'm riding it.
Yeah, I see that.
Hi.
Hi, sweetheart. You're very silly.
Do I still have chocolate on my face with my goggles on?
Yes, you do. Can I get on this side there? I can see you better. Okay, go ride your tricycle. I'll get you a picture of you riding your tricycle, okay? Ride up and down. Oh, he's hilarious. Yep. Okay, come back here. So I can get you on the camera. Come back here.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. He's got his red tricycle, his red rain boots, his red goggles, and he has his sweatpants on that have a rip in the knee, so his knee's hanging out. And
Hi.
You're funny.
Hi.
Hi. Say hi, Grammy and Grandpa.
Hi, Grammy and Grandpa.
I love you, Grammy and Grandpa.
I love you, Grammy and Grandpa.
Oh, don't move your head around. I can't get you on the camera. Okay.
Did you took a picture of me?
I did. Yep, you're pretty darn cute.
Now